Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to make a canvas pouch in Pattachitra art style. So let's start. This is my canvas pouch. These are the paints which I am going to use. Green color, little fluorescent green, white, pink, light pink, little dark green, blue, black and yellow. Golden yellow it is. Soap solution, pencil, eraser, 000 number brushes and a bird. We also need a rug or rough cloth or a tissue to wipe our brushes. So let's start. Our first step is to draw everything with the help of this white gel pen because it's dark color. So I draw with white gel pen. I'm drawing a lotus and we'll paint it in Pattachitra art style. Then we'll draw this spiral design. Then first line of border, second outline of border, other side, this border is 1.5 centimeter wide, first line of border, and then the second line of border. Border design is very simple. We are drawing a 3 centimeter long leaf and we are leaving 1 centimeter in between. In that 1 centimeter, we'll draw a flower. So flower, 1 circle and 8 circles around. They also don't have dots, but they do have circles. And then they fill colors in circles. Now down also we'll draw one spiral design. After doing this, we'll erase all the pencil marks. So this is my eraser and I'm erasing all the pencil marks. In between, I will draw these circles as a booty. This is a background booty design. So our drawing is complete now. We will take a 000 number brush and we'll start drawing the outline with white paint. Our white paint should not be very watery, otherwise it will smudge into cloth. Now I'm going to draw outline of these small circles. Now we'll start giving outline to our spiral border. Cloth will absorb the paint, so we may have to give second coat. I'm going to fill this blue color in the dots. We'll wash our brush and I'm going to use golden yellow in the center part. Also, we are going to fill this light green color in the leaves. So I'm going to use this parrot green and filling here. We are going to use white color to draw the outline. This is a 8-petal flower. We are drawing outline with white color and then we will fill some color inside. You can see the cloth is absorbing the paint. So I have to give second coat. We will take 2 shades of pink and we'll fill in the lotus. This is little darker shade and I'm going to do shading in it with light pink and then Rest of the work will be with red color. So we have finished the base work for lotus. Now we are completing this part. In the meantime, we will complete this part. This much we have done. Now we are going to use black color. This is my black color. I'm going to draw a fine line here. I'm also going to give a second coat of paint here because as you can see, it is almost absorbed by the cloth. Every time, please wash your brush. Now we can see that these flowers are there. So I'm going to fill color in the flowers. In the center of the flower, I'm going to fill yellow color. So this is golden yellow. Now, as we can see, this part has absorbed all the white. Now we can see here also white color outline is absorbed. Our petals, and these petals are still not yet dry, so we have to wait for it. In the meantime, we'll finish drawing outline with black color everywhere. So we'll start from this end. Don't cover your black color 100%. There should be some black color visible. So you can see our black outline is visible as well as red outline is visible. So here, touch. Second coat because first coat is dry. Now let's come to these leaves. This is my white color paint. It's Pabio's white paint filled in Fevicryl spotted. Our flower is ready now. The last thing is to draw the lines in this big leaf. So this is the black color in my brush. With this, our pouch is completely painted. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.